So this is unit 4, both the multiplication game uh, just using while and the multiplication game using do while. Here we just define initially the integer x and create a math random, create two random numbers and the variable c, and the count that is going to be count equals count plus 1. So we have the count. Then we just enter the result of the next multiplication. Here it's gonna print both random numbers x and y, and it's also gonna read the multiplication that the user is guessing, that is the variable c. And if c is equal to it's the product of both random numbers, then it's going to print correct, woo, and it's gonna break and it's going to go out of the loop. Else, if it is not, it's gonna print incorrect and try again. And outside, it's printing you have plus the counts you have and attempts. So if I run it, for example, if I got it incorrect, this should be 0. Let's put 2. I have it incorrect. Enter the result of the next multiplication. 6 times 0, it's going to be 0. It's printing correct. And for the multiplication game using do while, it's almost the same thing. The difference is that it runs at least one time because of the do. We create both random numbers, the count. We print for asking for the multiplication and reading as the c being the variable of that multiplication. And it's the same loop, but it's inside a do while. So if I run it, enter the result of the next multiplication, 6 times 2 is equal to 2. Correct.